Now, another petition has been filed in the Supreme Court in the matter of the lapse in Prime Minister Modi's security. The plea seeks criminal action against the Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi and the NIA to investigate into the terrorism angle in this particular case. The petition has also demanded an inquiry into the role of the Punjab police. Now, this of course comes as there has already been another petition that is being heard in the Supreme Court. This particular matter, of course, pertains to the breach in the Prime Minister's security when he was in Punjab. Let's go across live to Anane, who's reporting on this for more details. Anane is reporting from Delhi about this new petition that has been filed, which basically is the PIL over the Prime Minister's security breach. This PIL seeks action against the Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. Anane, good morning. Anane, now there's already, of course, another petition that's being heard by the Supreme Court over this matter already. But give us more details of this new PIL that has been filed against the Punjab Chief Minister in particular. Anane, can you hear us? Okay, I don't think he can hear us yet. We're going to try and fix that audio connection with him and go back to him in just a bit. But here's what we are getting right now. The PIL seeks action against the Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. It also says that this should be investigated as a criminal action, going on to say that the probe should also include the Punjab police as to why they were not able to provide advance security to the Prime Minister and why the Prime Minister had to be stranded atop a flyover in plain sight for about 20 minutes when he was on his visit to Punjab. Let's go back across to Anane, who's reporting on this. Anane, good morning. Give us more details of this new PIL that has been filed. We understand it particularly is against the Punjab Chief Minister.
Well, yes, this petition basically seeks a criminal action against Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi over the lapses in security of the Prime Minister. And in fact, remember that Republic was the first one which yesterday broke down the call scam that is happening, the scandal in where the threats were received by a lot of AORs. In fact, hundreds of advocates on record to the Supreme Court while the matter of PM security was being read, and now this new PIL has come in wherein it has been asked that a criminal action shall be initiated against Charanjit Singh Channi and also the Punjab government officials who were a part and parcel to the lapses that had happened in the Prime Minister's security. Because remember that this is an attack on the highest constitutional office of the country, and in fact we yesterday only witnessed as to how we broke down a big call scandal wherein recorded messages by this Khalistani terror organization SFJ had come into various advocates on record. And remember, Nupur, that these AORs are not just one person. They are the backbone of the whole Supreme Court, because these are the lawyers, these advocates on records are the one who filed these big petitions before the Supreme Court, who are assisting the senior counsels who argue these big matters before the top court of the country. And if they are receiving such threats, it is some way or somewhere something a sabotage on the judicial process of the country. And this is what the legal fraternity also said while we were speaking to Mr. Manoj, who is the Sakura Vice President, or be it Vikas Singh. All of them in one voice are clearly saying that this is a clear attempt. But now this new petition has also come in with regards to the PM security labs, asking for a criminal action against Charanjit Singh Channi. And it would be very, very crucial as to when this matter is heard, and will there be urgent mentioning for the same today when the Chief Justice's Court assembles at 10:30. Nupur.
All right, thank you very much, Anane, for joining us with those details. Now,